E ngā uri o Taranaki Iwi e noho ana ki te Upoko o te ika Māui, Naumai haramai.
Kia ora wānau, I'm Lisa. Where are you? We're looking for you. We want to invite you to connect with your iwi. Doesn't matter if you've lost your connection or never had a connection or you just want to make a connection. This is the time, so come and join us.
Yeah, welcome to this page. The purpose of the page mainly is whakawhanaungatanga. The reason that I joined this group was for that reason, and to increase my knowledge and connection to our Taranakitanga.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Fraser toku inoa. I'm part of the Geri whānau and I grew up in Otipoti. That's a very long way from Taranaki, and I'm here to renew and strengthen the ties to my whānau, to my hapu, to my iwi.
I joined this page because I want to get to know the people, you people, here in Te Upoko o Te Ika a Māui. We can get together, we can start to kōrero, to share our story, whatever stage we are on the journey. We are part of the strands that weave towards our maunga.
I joined this rōpū to stay connected with uri living in the Wellington region and to learn more about my iwi. Also for my daughter too, so that she can grow up knowing uri living in the area and that she can learn more about Taranaki Iwi and our tipuna.
So our values are kia rongomo, to act with humility, respect and empathy.
Kia aroha ki te tangata. We care for and manaki our people and environment.
And kia tika kia pono, to act with honesty and integrity. So nau mai haramai ki tēnei whārangi e te whānau.
Nō reira, nau mai haramai. Kia ora.